A complete computer guide. Today, I have come with programming solutions of file handling in Basic Part 5. This is the continuation of Part 4. Hey everyone, welcome to KD Production. If you're new here, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more computer-related contents. If you haven't watched the previous videos on file handling, go to my channel and check the playlist called File Handling Solutions, where you can find all the earlier videos. A complete computer guide. 14. Write a program to open a data file info.dat in output mode and store information of employees. The data file has some information such as employee name, post, department, and salary. The program should allow users to input record as needed. I am showing you the process to make the solution of this program in QBASIC text editor, where I am typing each steps one by one. I hope you understand all the steps clearly if you have read about it. If you got confusion in any line, then you can comment the question number and line where you get confusion. I will solve that. 15. Write a program to display all records from a data file info.dat that contains employee name, post, department and salary. It is the display video of first question. I mean in first question which data we have stored in first program. That records will display in this program by using input mode. (16) Write a program to create a sequential file and store the serial number, name, basic pay, house rent allowance, provident fund and LIC of 5 employees of a company. We know the program of this question is simple, that we have to open file in output mode. But here are some terms that make the question difficult that we have to understand first. Basic pay means your main salary. House rent allowance, HRA, means money for rent. Provident fund, PF, means compulsory savings for retirement. LIC means insurance premium for life cover. (17) A sequential data file result.dat contains the name and marks secured by students in 3 subjects. Assuming the mark for each subject is 32, write a basic program to count the number of past students. It is necessary to understand this question first. Here is some confusion that in which mode we have to open the file. Question is saying that to count the number of past students. To count how many students were passed, we have to retrieve the records from file one by one and check that. So, in conclusion, we have to open this file in input mode. Solution of this program is simply to make the program by opening the file in input mode, but I am doing this in computer. Records can't displayed automatically without storing the data. So, I'm opening the file in output mode to store all the records. After you can see that on input mode. Thank you for watching.